Hello students, good morning. How are you? I hope that you are doing well with your books and also you are following the guidelines of the government. Do be careful against corona and stay safe, stay in home. Don't come out of your home unless it is very necessary. Dear students, this is the final video number 3 for chapter 1.4, which the title says experiences in hospitals. We were talking about the different experiences faced by different peoples in this chapter. Today we will discuss the last two persons who had some good experiences or some bad experience in the hospitals. Previously, before these two peoples, we studied about four different peoples: Abhijit, Nancy in the first video, Dolly and Dravid in the second video. These four peoples were admitted in the hospital for different reasons. Some of them had a very good experience and some of them had a bad experience also. So many times whenever we are visiting a hospital, we may have a good experience and also we may have a bad experience. Here, when we are studying about the experiences in hospital for standard 7th English, we will take the last two experiences which was faced by Nagma and Hamid. Nagma, she is a woman of 74 years of age and she is suffering from cataract. Cataract is a problem which is caused in the eyes when the upper layer of the eyes starts developing a very thin layer of skin, or we can also say that our retina is getting covered due to a very thin flap of skin that disturbs our eyesight and we are not able to see the views clearly. So that cataract must be removed and the doctor is a prescribed person who is capable of removing the cataract after undergoing an operation. So Nagma, who is 74 years of age, she was suffering from cataract and the doctor said that you must go on for an operation so that the cataract must be removed over your eyes. So she was admitted to the hospital. After a small checkups, she was warned that you are of 74 years of age and the time has come that you must go under the operation so that this cataract can be removed, because if you will take time, it may cause a deficiency. You may also lose your eyesight. So she was warned for it. So she took the decision and she was admitted to the hospital. After that, the doctors along with his team, they did the operation and everything was absolutely fine. So after operation, she shared her experience that she was taken to the hospital, she was under the checkup, the doctor took a very good care during the tests and the doctor said that she must go an operation so that the cataract from her eyes can be removed. Okay, so after the operation was over, she was absolutely fine. She shares her experience by saying that after the operation was over, she was able to see the views as same as she was seeing in her childhood days. So we can say that she got a new pair of eyes. Also, the doctors took very good care while her eyes were under bandage. So, after the cataract is done, the eyes are covered with bandage and the medicines are applied at regular intervals. So, Nagma also was under the team of doctor. Nurses took a very good care of her. Her eyes were covered with the bandage, and while the eyes were covered with the bandage, she was not able to move freely because she has to take some help with anyone. So in the hospital, nurses were there. They took very good care of her while she has to use the bathrooms or the toilets, or when she was willing to just walk for some small distances, the nurses took very good care of her. So she had a very good experience when she was admitted in the hospital for the removal of cataract which was present in her eyes, and after the operation she was perfectly fine. She also shares her experience by saying that she got a new pair of eyes after the operation. So this was the experience felt by Nagma. The detailed portion is given in the textbook. I will request you to read the paragraph carefully. Okay. Next experience is with Hamid. Hamid was not a patient. he didn't himself went to a doctor, but he was found sleeping on a bench of a park in a very cold winter night. When some people saw him that he was sleeping on a bench in a very cold winter night, they called the doctors, and the team of the doctors took him away, and he was admitted in the hospital. When he came to conscious the very next day, the doctors told him that he was found lying over a bench in a park, and the weather was very frosty, it was very cold there, and it might have resulted in the death of Hamid. So Hamid says that he was found laying on the bench of a park as said by the doctors, but next day when he gained conscious, he was under a team of good doctors. They took a very good care, and no any ailments were found in the body of Hamid. So doctors just took some checkups, and they said that you can go home. He was discharged after doing some precautionary medical checkups. After that, the doctors thought that he is not having any house, or he is not having any work for doing any work. So he was discharged after checkups. Then also he was under supervision of a social worker. Mainly the doctors, after doing the treatments, they discharge the patient, and they do not take care of the real life of their patients. But here the doctors were very helpful. They also took very good care of Hamid after he was discharged also. They called a social worker, and appointed that social worker for Hamid, and that social worker took a very good care of him. He was with him every time, and he also found a work in a dairy farm for Hamid, and he was working there, and he was leading a very good life. So here Hamid also had a very good experience. When he was jobless, when he was not having any work, he was forced, or he was pressurized to sleep on the bench of a park, where he would have been died also. At that time, doctors took very good care, and after doing medical checkups, they just didn't let him to go out in the same place where he was. He would be again forced to sleep on that particular bench, and again wait for his death. But they called a social worker, and he was sent with the social worker, and that social worker was also a very nice person. He or she took a very good care of Hamid. Also, they gave a place to live, they gave job for working, and Hamid was able to live a respectful life. So this particular experience of Hamid was also very good, and this will end all the 6 experiences of the chapter. So in these 3 video lectures, we had the experience of Abhijit and Nancy in the first video, the experience of Dolly and Dravid in the second video, and here we are learning about the experience of Nagma and Hamid in this third final video. After this one, you will have to do your completion of the notebooks. You will have to complete first of all the hard words, then the meanings. After that, you have to go to exercises. If you are able to complete the work, it is very good. And also, if you are having any doubts, you can feel free to comment in the comment boxes, so that we can clear your doubts. One more thing I would like to say, that many of the students have submitted their homework. That is very nice, but still some students are not submitting their homeworks, and I will request them to go on to view the previous videos, learn everything which is been taught there, refer your textbooks, have your doubts cleared. If you still find any doubts, you can again contact us. We have given our number in these same videos, or in the previous videos also. You can go to the description and find the numbers on which you can contact, and you can clear your doubts. After that, you have to complete your books, and you have to take a screenshot, or you can take a snapshot or picture of it. Mention your name, full name I would say. Mention your full name, and you send those pictures on the given numbers. Okay, so that we can also find that you are studying at home and you are completing your books. Whenever we will meet in the class during the regular classes, first of all we will check what you have studied during the online classes. So be prepared well, so that we can say that yes, we whatever energy we have kept for you, whatever energy we are putting in the videos, that is going in a right direction, and you are also getting something to learn. So it is very good for you also to complete your books, the notebooks, and other study materials. Also, if you find any difficulty regarding that, feel free to contact the numbers which are given in the description. Thank you, students. Again, we'll meet with a new chapter in the new videos. Thank you.